Wait till you see the finished product. Wait, don't go anywhere. Yes, the end result. Mesmerizing. The floor shining. The dinner table with sumptuous food. The floral decor out of this world. Everything. The glass chairs, the glasses. Why Fynn, Nadia, the couple, amazed at the sparkle light that stands before them. The guest, honorable. Yeah, second lady Samira Bawumia has arrived. She walks gracefully to the couple as the couple also enters majestically to their throne. The groom, Why Fynn, dapper in his bespoke suit. Nadia, elegant as she is always. Dancing on the dance floor, the groom dances, the bride instructs the groom on what to do. This is love.